Welcome again. In this tutorial, we will understand the motivation behind fuzzy logic and why it actually works in real life situations. The term fuzzy logic was first coined in 1965 by Professor Lofty Ejeda in the University of California. He said one has to pay higher cost for higher precision, and thereafter it becomes the principle of incompatibility. That is, more the precision, higher is the cost. As you can see in the graph that with every 0.1 point increase in the precision, the corresponding cost is almost 4 times. Let's further elaborate this concept by taking an example of car parking. Suppose we ask Bob to park the car in parking lane. What he will do? Obviously, he will park it in the lane. But let's ask Bob to park the car such that outside wheel should precisely be within 0.02 mm from side line of the parking space and wheels are within 2 degrees from the specified angle. This is how the Bob is confused how to park with such a high accuracy. So Bob is finally end up with following. Very high time in parking with such a high precision. Such type of trade-off between cost and precision is not limited to only car parking problem, but it exists in day-to-day real-life situations. Even large number of engineering applications such as control systems, booking a movie ticket, appointment with a doctor, assembling gadgets are few applications where we can use this concept. We will discuss many such real-time applications in due course. Let's further investigate some more examples to understand the motivation behind fuzzy concept. A college judges the student's performance according to following rule. If marks in any exam is between 0 to 19, the student will be awarded O grade and his/her performance will be taken as poor. Similarly, if the marks are between 80 to 100, he will be considered as outstanding student. Suppose Bob and Jennifer are two friends who secured 79 and 80 marks in their end term exam respectively. Can you treat Bob as outstanding student? As per rule, he cannot be considered as outstanding. But if we apply general human intelligence, we could say that Bob is as intelligent as Jennifer and one mark hardly makes any difference. But as per college mathematics, such human decision about the Bob is not true. Why? It's because college is following the traditional classical set theory, in which if an element belongs to a set, then only its value is 1, otherwise it is 0. So no matter if the Bob would have secured 79.99, then also he could not be treated as outstanding student by the college. So in such type of situations, classical logic fails to express precise results. Thus the concept of fuzzy logic help in dealing with such uncertainties and vagueness in real life. Let's together motivate Bob not to get demoralized as we have fuzzy logic for him through which we will show that Bob is almost as intelligent as Jennifer. Cheers Bob, fuzzy logic is with you. Let's have one more example where one can save cost and time using fuzzy logic concept. Suppose Bob wants to purchase a car in a budget of $2 million. His requirements are 6-seater car and the second requirement is top speed should be 120 km per hour. So he went to a car dealer. The dealer presented him 3 models as you can see that these are 3 models that are being presented by the dealer. So which particular model the Bob is going to buy? Obviously, as per his requirement, he is going to buy the car A. But if he could have applied fuzzy logic concept, he could save $0.8 million by purchasing car B. Wow, lot of saving indeed. Thus, in summary, the main motivation behind fuzzy logic is to develop a cost-effective framework to solve complex problems by exploiting the tolerance of imprecision. If you are excited and curious on how to apply fuzzy logic in different real-time situations, then come with me. We together explore different situations and apply each step one by one to get precise results. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, happy learning.